Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Today we were back in Virginia and we decided to go check out Old Town Manassas, and we were on the Prince William Parkway, which is a very popular parkway. We just kind of strolled right on into town there. We'll give you a map here so you can see the area and stuff like that. So we drove down and we checked out some of the residential areas in one side of town, drove through the center area of town, like the downtown area or whatnot. Pretty mellow day. I think everybody was at work and stuff like that. So then we drove into some of the other residential areas. Pretty cool. I mean, very, very nice houses, very historic looking, if you ask me. And then we drove, and then we almost got pulled over. I don't know. It must have been the out-of-state, New York State license plates. Who knows? But at least you know they're keeping the town safe. That's one way to look at it. So other than that, we will see at the end of the video. We have a part 2 coming up after this, and we'll see you soon. All right, peace. All right, guys, what do you think of this area? I really like it. I like the architecture of the houses. I like just the way the trees are laid out and everything. I like the roads. It's really cool. You know, it's in the middle of January. It's beautiful down here. So anyway, we're on Main Street right now. We're going to take another loop around through the town. And, you know, like I said, we'll see you at the end of the video. All right, guys, we got to get off the road here because I got to get some water, and that cop was on my tail, and I had to get off the road, if you know what I mean. So anyway, we got a follow-up video coming up on Route 28, Centerville Road. A lot of commercial little stores, things like that continued on. So that'll be coming up in another video. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.